Today we're looking at a 2017 Toyota Sienna handicap accessible van from VMI Northstar. It's a competitor of Braun. It is a lowered floor and it does kneel, and we'll watch the operation of the ramp right here. And this van happens to have 47,000 miles on it. Watch the ramp come out. The van appears to be kneeling right now. It is lowering. Take a quick walk inside. It is very clean. This van happens to have some flood history with a salvage title. We have priced it accordingly. But when we received it, it did not have any evidence of water damage. Nothing was wet. Mechanically, it's very good. We went through and safety checked this van, so we have confidence in it. We will also put a warranty on it, and we also will offer an extended warranty. It's located at our Middleville location on M37 in Middleville, Michigan. We do ship all over the country. Feel free to call us 269-205-2613.